Good morning. I would like to just express my deepest appreciation and the great honor I've received today. I've been invited officially to India, Indonesia considers India a very great friend. India was one of the first country, maybe the first country to recognize our independence, to support us in our struggle for independence. We will never forget